Luxury on a budget? Take one. Hi, how are you doing today? This is Charles, California. So, are you on luxury on a budget? This is the way to go. jports is a luxury auction website on Facebook that you can log on. I have a video on that one. I'm going to link that one above so that you can access that one. And then I'm going to put their description below too so that you're able to join the fun. So this one, I accumulated this one for the whole month. Some of this one are project items that I'm going to work on, and some of it I'm going I'm going to probably sell it out to you guys. But anyway, shout out to my jports friends like Ashton, Maria, Gabby, Kevin, and all of you guys. I don't remember all of you guys, but yeah, hi. Shout out to them. Hello, how are you doing today? And so what we're going to do is we're going to, some of this one I already unboxed. This is not a really genuine unboxing because I just want to make sure that all my items are intact, and I just want to see if how it is and stuff like that. But this one, I haven't opened this one, and this is from jports again. I did this one with I think with Gabby and Maria. So that's what had happened with that. I went online. This is my first one on this. And then it says here that it is, I bought this one for $94. It's a necklace, and let's see what's it. I already ruined it. But yeah. So this one is this is what's inside. This is just a simple one. That this is a Tiffany bean necklace. Oh, that one is really nice. So yeah, there you go. And then like they said, it's from Tiffany and Co. I don't know if you're going to be able to see that, but yeah, it's Tiffany and Co. So it's the bean one, and then it says there Tiffany and Co. There you go. I'm just going to insert some pictures on that. So that's number one. So I'm going to probably give that away, or we're going to I'm going to sell that one on my Instagram account. So the next one is this one. It's a clutch bag. So this one, I think this is the Compagne. I don't wanna say the name, but it is the Compagne, and this is only $121. And this is the one. Oh my god, it's so huge. So this one, $121 for this. How's that? I'm going to review all this one next time, but for the meantime, for today, I'm just going to unbox all of this. So that's that. And then this one is my favorite one. This is the jports one, and all this one are jports anyway. This is the $239, but this one is definitely a project one. So this one is this. But look at this one. It's definitely a project bag, as you can see. But I can, if I do have the money, I can just go to Louis Vuitton, and then to open it, you do this, and then it will open. There you go. So yeah. And it does have the keys for that. So that's that. So it's really nice, and then it's a bandolier too, so I can put some straps on this one. But look how gorgeous that is, right? So that's that. And it's all Louis Vuitton, of course. But this one came from Peter Green. Peter Green, I don't know, because he said last time that he's not associated with jports anymore. So I don't know with that. Peter Green is a luxury brand in New York. It's a second-hand, pre-love, pre-owned luxury brands that's based in New York. He was associated with jports before, but I guess it's not anymore. So correct me if I'm wrong with that. So shout out Mr. Peter Green. So this one is the item that I got. And this one is definitely I'm going to sell for you guys. So he put it all together. There's 3 items in here. So this is the first item. This is the Hermes bag. Hermes bucket bag. So yeah, if you're on a budget, this is a really nice one to go to. And so it says here Hermes. There you go. And then it's just a bucket bag inside. So I'm going to review each one of this one next time. And then I do have the strap. The strap, this one is the Dior strap that I got from him. And you know, I'm going to put that one on here. Let's see if that's gonna work. There you go. Right? So cute. So I think I need it longer, but for the meantime, this one will do. See that? So that's the strap, and then I got this Chanel cosmetic pouch. The Chanel cosmetic pouch. So there's that, the Chanel cosmetic pouch. And then, so these are the items that I accumulated. And then also, I do have a project bag that I'm working on right now that I got from them too. This one is the Speedy. This one is the Speedy. So as you can see, I'm really working on it right now. And I have a video for that. This one is, I'm conditioning it right now. So this one is one of the items that I bought too. So basically, these are the items that I got from jports / Green Peter Green's luxury brands New York. So I hope you like this video. This is a quick one. This is just an unboxing of all the luxury items on a budget that I got from jports and Peter Green. So I hope you like this video. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you like this. Next week we're going to review some of these items, so stay tuned on that. Question of the day: do you think that it is worth it to buy pre-love items like this ones, or you're just going to buy the items from the store? So comment below. I want to hear something from you guys. So let's see what you'll come up with. Thank you very much for watching. Do what makes you happy. This is Charles, California. I will see you again in the next video. Bye.